Eastern Rail Line was first constructed by the British colonialists and commenced with the construction of Port Harcourt to Enugu, 243 kilometers between 1914 and 1916. Enugu to Makurdi, 220 kilometers from 1916 to 1924. Kaduna to Kafanchan, 179 kilometers in 1927. And Kafanchan to Jos, 101 kilometers from 1924 to 1927. For 31 years, 1927 to 1957, there was no railway development until 1958, when the tracks were extended from Kafanchan to Bauchi in 1961, with 238 kilometers, and ultimately to Maiduguri, 302 kilometers from 1963 to 1964. These developments, in addition to the Western Narrow Gauge Rail Line, brought the total route kilometers to 3,505 and track kilometers to 4,332. Since then, there's not been a comprehensive rehabilitation of the rail line until the introduction of the 25-year strategic vision for the railway, which favored the development of standard gauge. The 25-year strategic vision was adopted by the federal government in determination to revive and modernize the railway system. The vision has three phases. Phase 1, system transition from 2002 to 2007, was intended to make railway system function effectively and become attractive to potential concessionaries. The system transition entails rehabilitation, restructuring, introducing operational changes, investment planning, development of local capacity for the production of rail materials, and developing national technological capacity. Phase 2, system modernization from 2007 to 2015. Both phases have been implemented concurrently because of some delays as a result of funding challenge in the implementation. This phase involves implementation of new standard gauge infrastructure, activation of private investment, modernization of operations and assets, and increasing local technological capacity. Phase 3, system stabilization 2016 to 2027. System stabilization will consolidate on the advancement made by the first two phases, with the extension of new routes to reach all state capitals and commercial centers, effective commercialization of rail operations, and development of high-speed line with optimal efficiency. Currently, the Port Harcourt to Maiduguri rail line would have been in total comatose but for the skeletal services being provided by Nigeria Railway Corporation between Port Harcourt to Aba, which has been suspended due to COVID-19 and loss of tracks. In May 2010, months after President Goodluck Jonathan came to power, he launched an ambitious project of resuscitating and expanding the country's rail lines. One of the lines identified for immediate rehabilitation was the Port Harcourt to Maiduguri corridor. The rehabilitation work was partitioned into 3 contracts. The 463 kilometers Port Harcourt to Makurdi segment was and collapsed, and therefore cannot meet the operational requirement of today and in desperate need for reconstruction and rehabilitation. It is expected that the route with new viable branch lines would unleash associated economic infrastructure around it and make the government economic sustainability, support economic diversification and job creation. The new contracts for the rehabilitation and reconstruction of Port Harcourt to Maiduguri rail line with extensions and its accessories has been awarded to Mercer CCECC Nigeria Limited through a concession model, construction plus finance, with a completion period of 36 months, and contracted by direct investment to construct Bonny Deep Seaport and Railway Industrial Park in Port Harcourt and Maiduguri, thereby having a holistic integrated project of seaport, railway industrial park and railway infrastructure. The Federal Ministry of Finance is to conclude a co-financing arrangement with Mr. CCACC and their financial partners, Standard Chartered Bank and China Merchant Bank. Nigeria has a commitment to pay 15% counterpart fund of the total construction cost as advance payment to the contractor, and the ministry has already made part payment of the commitment to enable the contractor to start preliminary works. The federal government, under the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari, has focused on one of its mandates to connect every part of Nigeria by rail by extending and upgrading our railway network under the inspection of Right Honorable Chibike Rotimi Amechi.